What is this?
It is a bag.
What is this?
It is a bag.
Who did it?
My mom.
Who did it?
My mom.
Which one is it?
The pink one.
Which one is it?
The pink one.
Who is he?
He is my sibling.
Who is he?
He is my sibling.
Anything else?
Now, that's all. Thank you.
Anything else?
Now, that's all. Thank you.
Who made the lunch?
My mom.
Who made the lunch?
My mom.
Why are you happy?
I got an A.
Why are you happy?
I got an A.
When does the class finish?
At 12 o'clock.
When does the class finish?
At 12 o'clock.
Why do you exercise?
To stay fit.
Why do you exercise?
To stay fit.
When are you free?
Tonight.
When are you free?
Tonight.
Which teacher do you like?
English teacher.
Which teacher do you like?
English teacher.
Why are you running?
I am getting late.
Why are you running?
I am getting late.
What's his name?
His name is Asher.
What's his name?
His name is Asher.
Who is stronger?
You are stronger.
Who is stronger?
You are stronger.
How was the movie?
Not so bad.
How was the movie?
Not so bad.
What did you buy?
I bought vegetables.
What did you buy?
I bought vegetables.
How to go to school?
Go by bus.
How to go to school?
Go by bus.
Will it rain today?
Yes, it will.
Will it rain today?
Yes, it will.
Do you care?
Yes, very little.
Do you care?
Yes, very little.
Are you thirsty?
No, I am not.
Are you thirsty?
No, I am not.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am. May I use your phone? Yes, of course you can. May I use your phone? Yes, of course you can.
Do you need any help?
No, thank you.
Do you need any help?
No, thank you.
What are you doing here?
I have some work here.
What are you doing here?
I have some work here.
Whose friend is he?
Whose friend is he?
Whose friend is he?
Whose friend is he?
How did you make it?
I know how to do it.
How did you make it?
I know how to do it.
What's on your mind?
I am just thinking.
What's on your mind?
I am just thinking.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is noodles.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is noodles.